Good evening, sir. Good evening, classmate. My name is John Chris. I am the designer, and Ben is the programmer, and Jared is the documenter. Today, we will present our project, which is van rental. This presentation is about a short topic or purpose. Our goal is to show how it can help users and why it's important today. Throughout the discussion, we will explain the background of the study, objectives, futures, and the meaning of our project. We hope that we can give you a clear understanding of our presentation. So dito need natin gumawa ng account, mag-sign up sa baba, baba ng login, sign up, input full name, Jan Chris, and email, input password, and sign up. So dito meron po tayong cargo, meron tayong Ford Transit or Chevrolet Express kung saan gusto. So magbo-book tayo. Sa isang araw meron tayong $90. Meron niyang 30 days kung ilang araw kayo magbo-book. So mag-book tayo ng 2 days, $180. So dito sa payment, meron tayong cash on delivery or credit debit card. Gagamitin ko ay cash on delivery. So dito meron tayong enter your phone number. So dito enter your complete delivery address in Pangasinan. So pag nalagyan na natin yan, mag-confirm booking tayo ng cash on delivery. So booking confirm, okay. So pupunta po tayo ngayon sa bookings. And nandito na yung binook natin. Pupunta tayo sa view map. So dito pinapakita ang delivery location kung saan tayo nagrenta. Pinagrenta natin ay sa office ng Barangay Parents, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Dito sa Select Your Delivery ay ang nirental lang ay sa Pangasinan ang binubok. So X natin. So dito po meron din tayong notification kung mako-confirm ng admin. Ito po sa profile, punta po tayo ng settings. At dito po sa custom service, pindutin po natin. Tuturo din po dito yung kung bagong users lang po ay user, pindutin natin ng booking at meron pong tutorial dito. Sa number 1, browse our vans on the homepage. Number 2, select your preferred van. Number 3, choose the number of days. Number 4, proceed to payment. Number 5, wait for admin approval. So back. Next present is Mr. Beans.
Siyempre, meron naman tayong mga luxury cars. Kung gusto nyong mag-rent ng mamahalin, gusto nyong magmukhang mayaman, meron tayong Mercedes Sprinter, Volkswagen Crafter, and Mercedes Mitris. Yan. Same as procedure lang naman yung pagbubuk dito. Na-explain na ni John Chris. So, book tayo. Yan. Kung ilang days. Yan. Book. Ganon din naman, cash on delivery and via credit card. Yan. Okay. Yun lang. Tapos, next is sa next, pre. Ayan. Next is sa sa ano naman, sa track. Kung gusto nyong matrack yung ano, yung kung nasan na yung van, ganun. Pwede nyo siyang pindutin, tapos makikita nyo na kung ano, kung nasaan na, on the way na ba o delivered, preparing, ganyan. Yan lang. Tapos pag sa cancel naman, pwede siyang ma-cancel, pero maghihintay tayo ng 24 hours para ma-refund yung pera natin, ganun. Siyempre meron naman tayong pangmaramihan, passenger. Van, meron tayong mga vans. Meron tayong Ram ProMaster, Nissan NV3500, Ford E350, yan. Tas yung booking, ganun din. Same procedure lang sa mga na-discuss kanina. Yan. So, next naman na presenter is si Jared Antolin.
Let's begin with the admin login screen. Here the administrators secure login in using their credential. In this case, the email admin.vanrental.com and the password. The interface is simple and intuitive. Future option like remember me and forget password for convenience login. The admin gain access to dashboard while booking management. Pending booking. After login in the admin is directed to the pending booking section. This screen display all the new reservation waiting approved. For example, yung mga Ford Transcend Mercedes Sprinter, yung admin ang magpo-provide or i-reject niya. Next, we move to the track booking section of admin dashboard. Here, the admin can monitor the delivery and status of each vehicle in real time. The system displays the vehicle current status such as confirm, preparing, on the way, delivered, or completed. Next, the booking confirmation. Once the admin approved the booking system, automatically update the status and send a confirm message to the customer. Interface, the customer receive a message confirming the reservation details, including the vehicle type, duration, payment method, and delivery address. These features enhance communication between the admin and customer, making the process transparent and user-friendly. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening, and we hope you learned something from our topic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.